Welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate you clicking on today's video. I am super excited for this one. A dream car of mine is getting delivered today to the shop. If you guys follow me on other platforms, you know this place right here is the Moxy warehouse, Mad warehouse, and Secret Labs warehouse. My business partner Foster and I both work out of here, and there's a very cool car getting delivered here in like an hour. An absolute dream car of mine, to be honest. If I had the money, whenever Roach is given away, I would have probably scooped one of these up. But by the title and thumbnail, you probably already know a C7 ZR1 is gonna be here in an hour. I've only ever seen one in person, so I already know I'm gonna geek out a little bit. I won't tell Foster this to his face, and he probably won't watch this video, but if anybody does deserve that car, it's him. That man is a grinder. He is working pretty much 24/7. He's accomplished a lot. He's helped me a lot. He helped me start a business, and within 6 months of starting the business, got an R8. So I owe that man a lot. He definitely deserves a ZR1, and I'm excited for him. I know he's super pumped too. It's one of his dream cars. He had a C6 Z06 a couple years back. This is gonna be his first time back in a vet in a while. Like I said, I've seen one ZR1 before in person, but I have never ridden in one. So if he lets me ride in it today when it gets delivered, this will be my first ever ride in a C7 ZR1 also, which makes me a little bit nervous for when I get rid of Roach, because like I said, I'd probably replace it with a C7 Z06 or a C6 ZR1. And I don't know how those compare to a C7 ZR1. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the whole experience. I've never been in one, but from what I've heard, it is a crazy car. Documenting your delivery.
No photographers. No.
Are you excited to take delivery?
It's just another car.
Oh my gosh. See, this is gonna be one of those heartfelt videos where you're like, dude, I've been working for this for a super long time.
No, that's not.
Never thought I'd get here.
Okay, my favorite car I've ever owned was a C7 Z06, right? Yep. Sold it to build my business, right?
Yep.
But it's weird because like I've been at the point where I could, like most of my cars are what, like triple the price of that? So why haven't I got one? Now I got one.
Are you excited? Have you ever driven one?
Driven a, not a ZR1.
Not a ZR1, so this is gonna be the first ZR1 experience?
First time.
Oh, she's here. I'm excited to see how he's gonna turn this thing around in this cul-de-sac.
Wait, you wanted white PPF?
Moment of truth, dude. What if you hate it? Are you prepared for that?
Zero shot of it.
Are you prepared for it if you hate it?
Absolutely no shot. My favorite car was a C7 Z06. This is literally better than that.
All right, let's unload this thing. Top row. You hate it?
That's awesome.
Crazy that that's a $200,000 Corvette. It's pretty crazy.
That's good.
Yeah, it does need a little help in the suspension area. Pretty hot. C7 Z06 with a ZR1 body kit.
It's just a vet.
It is just a vet. Step exhaust. That's got to be valved, right? Yeah. Hey. Initial thoughts?
Pretty sick, dude. Pretty sick.
Thought maybe this thing could make Foster Bills crack a smile.
The camera. You're gonna be on the internet. It's how to go viral, right?
Initial thoughts. First thing, what's in your head right now?
I don't know, bro. It doesn't feel real.
Start her up, dude. Start her up.
There it is.
Feel real now.
Feels kind of real.
Feels pretty real now.
Oh, bro, look at the headliner.
That's whatever.
fucking hot. These seats are fucking
fat burnout christening.
All right, I'm in the car charging my phone while he's going on his first drive. That thing is sick. It is sick. I already know he's gonna go crazy with it. He's gonna do an exhaust. He's gonna probably pour it the blower. I know he's gonna throw wheels on. That's the first thing about Foster. The other thing, no matter what the car is, he's not gonna keep it stock. 0%. None of his cars are stock at all. The thing is nasty. The carbon roof, the carbon hood, when you open up the hood, all the carbon under there. I miss my Pro Charger. Was it fun?
Needs more power.
Oh my lord. 3,000 miles on the dash?
The new daily driver.
My ass.
Want to bet?
Yes.
Okay. How much want to bet?
How long? What do you mean daily drive? Like
I'll daily drive shit every fucking day of my life until I want to drive another car.
I don't know if I believe that. Damn. Yeah, that is really high up.
Yeah, it's like kind of like weirdly high up.
Do you have a mods list in your head already?
I'm doing it in stages.
What's the stage?
First stage, stage 1, headers, porter blower, pulleys, intake, and a tune.
All right.
I think that'll be the level where I'm like, okay, I like this car. I like this car. Nice car. But it's just like right now, the fact that the X3 would walk this thing is kind of depressing.
You should get some draggy times on it.
I don't know if I want to. Like, I don't know if I want to see that. That's gonna piss me off. My guess, 60 to 130, 8. 8?
I can see that.
That'd be really embarrassing if it didn't. With that exhaust on, then I do. So you could probably do that shit in like an hour.
I highly doubt it. So, I was talking earlier how if I got rid of Roach, I was gonna get a C6 ZR1 or a C7 Z06. Do you think this is worth paying the extra $100,000 plus to get it over a Z06 C7?
No.
No?
No.
Having the collection, yeah, but
considering like you've never had a C7 Z06, no. But if you already had one and you're trying to get something else, then yeah. Such a nice car.
I just whacked my head on this quarter panel back here. Felt great.
Such long fucking gears, bro. That is the one thing that the German people just don't understand. Like, I would be in what, 5th gear and
smell
then
the cats.
Yeah, they don't smell good. They're like in a school zone. It's like a really, I feel like I could go faster on this track.
It's pretty sick. Pretty nasty. Just made it back home to Foster's. Bro, this is just Wild. Bro's got a crazy M2, crazy Supra, a twin turbo Huracan, and now a C7 ZR1. Oh, he cleaned it too. Damn! That is so hot. That is so hot. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it for me. Again, man, huge congrats to Foster. He deserves this thing. He works super hard. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Cause like I said, when I do the giveaway for Roach, I thought it was gonna be pretty cool to pop out with a C7 Z06, maybe a C6 ZR1, and then bro goes and gets a $200,000 C7 ZR1. What? How am I supposed to compare? I'm not gonna lie, man. This makes me think the only way that I can do this giveaway with Roach is if I pop back with the C6 ZR1. I feel like that's only fair. And it would be pretty sick if I would obviously get a black one. It would be so sick to have the C7 ZR1 and the C6 ZR1 both here. I'm coping. I wish I could get one of those. Well, yeah. I guess that's gonna do it for this one. Big congrats to Foster again. This right here is why I like to surround myself with people that are better than me, because now it gives me that itch. I want to do better in life. I want to go further so that I too can afford something like this. Not only do I think it'd be crazy to be able to afford something like this, bro also has a twin turbo Huracan and a Supra and an M2. I'm sorry, I'm hardcore glazing right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think, like Foster said, his plans are to do like headers, tune, port the blower, pulley down, do all this crazy stuff. So knowing him, he's probably gonna do exactly that. And when he does, I'll give you guys the updates. But yeah, super cool. 2019 C7 ZR1. That was pretty sick. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope to see you guys there next video. That's gonna do it for this one. Peace out, sleep well.